Good morning. This is the working group for data and knowledge-based management. Our rationale is, the first one is context-based credible evidences that can be used for planning and decision making. We discover that evidences should not just be evidences, but they should be context-based. They should be situation-based, like, okay, this is Nigeria, this is what we have based on the kind of environment we're exposed to. So context should be credible, and we should base it on what we have. Also, building partnerships in research areas, avoiding duplication of efforts, and a repository for easy accessibility. Now, the key component areas of intervention that needs to be addressed. Number one is the biophysical data. We mentioned the agricultural vegetative index, geospatial data, total land water, irrigation, carbon inventories, land profiling, land tenure, geographic information surveys, soil fertility, area of cultivable land, and so on. We also mentioned the socio-economic data, road networks, livelihoods, human development index and poverty, income and expenditure surveys, household surveys, censuses, administrative record systems, and so on. And climate data too. We talk about rainfall patterns, temperature, climate resilient and nutritious crops, and so on. So we just want to see how we can put this in categories, because the indicators are quite much. So that's why we put everything together in this way. The institutional arrangement and mechanisms. We said the first one, the Ministry of Budget and National Planning is central to how data is collected, analyzed, and inferred across different institutions. The horizontal linkage between the Ministry of Budget and National Planning and the Federal Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development is a crucial link that should reflect how agricultural data is managed at the level of governance. Also, we said that the agricultural-related parastatals under the Ministry of Budget and National Planning, which include the NBS, National Bureau of Statistics, NISA, National Industrial, Social and Economic Research, CMD, there are also other parastatals like the National Population Planning, but the agricultural-related ones under the ministry, they should have strong linkages with the ARCN to ensure due diligence of data with complementary oversight over institution subcategories like IITA, donor agencies, and some other agencies that develop data, now produce agricultural data. Also, the specificities and capacities of these parastatals in roles and responsibilities should be strengthened to produce a grid that resonates with subcategories and the various data-based platforms in the Federal Ministry of Agriculture. Also, vertical linkages to other state ministries should be strengthened to ensure trickle-down effects and also have a feedback mechanisms from the states. Because we should also look at a way how we can also engage other states. We should have a way we can align them to what we do here at the national level and subnational level. The next steps include to identify ways in which the Federal Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development and the Ministry of Budget and National Planning can work together. We should also identify ways in which to facilitate information sharing between research agencies as a way to build institutional capacity. And these include customized emails, because I discovered that if, for instance, in the Federal Ministry of Agriculture, the mails that they use, their personal emails, like Gmails, emails, Yahoo mails. But I sense that if there is something that if they can have a customized emails, okay, maybe .fmat.gov.ng. So it's going to be something that, if this individual is leaving the ministry and someone else is coming to replace that individual, data can be retrieved. There can be a trend that, maybe this is what this person has done, and we can always retrieve the work that this person has done. And also, we can also share information. Okay, IITA can easily share information with the federal ministry. FAO can easily share information with the federal ministry. So there's going to be this trend like that. And central domains and websites. So thank you very much.